Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found.
God damn!
Holy shit! Dude, it landed though. Oh, fuck! I'm knocked on the beach.
Scooter!
And I can't wait to get on the road again. Sucking toes again.
Hey.
Just can't wait to suck some toes again. Life I love is sucking toes with all my friends. And I just can't wait to suck some toes again.
Hi there.
Oh.
I might have taken that a bit personal.
Minor overreaction.
Nerds. Yeah!
Oh my god! My friend, it is dark. My friend, I am one-man army. Hello, fine shit. How are you doing, my beautiful? You must send me naked pictures on WhatsApp.
Hold on, baby mama's over here.
Oh shit.
Let me hop on my
cootie. Avast, lads! We have a long journey ahead of us on these high seas. The waves are not so treacherous today. We are making slow but steady progress along the horn of this island we have discovered. Soon, within 3 nights, we shall make it to our destination. Land ho, I shall say, when we finally see the coastline we have been seeking. And then, and only then, will we finally make our way on land and go and find the buried treasure on this island that we seek. I am looking for a hand cannon, the strongest weapon in all of these lands, told to have killed many men. Many men wish death upon me, and I need to protect myself from these scallywags on these open seas. My boy, we are to make history today. We will be the first pirates to have a wheel gun. Do you know what a wheel gun is, boy? It's like a flintlock pistol, but 6 of them in one. It's a glorious thing. One could only imagine how useful it would be in ship-to-ship combat.
Aye, Captain.
There's PB&J waffle. It's got me rock hard right now.
So you're into waffles?
What's it to you?
I know a gal that likes to dress like a waffle.
What?
You ain't met the waffle girl yet?
Can I get her number?
She don't use cellular devices.
What does she use?
Waffle phone. So?
I'm thinking, Arthur.
Dutch!
Arthur, I am thinking, Arthur.
Dutch, I can't breathe.
I need a moment to think, Arthur.
I've seen bigger.
I'm okay, I'm sure you have, buddy. I see
Fucking Kelvin.
I see. Kelvin fading in and out.
Kelvin's catching up to us, run.
It's like a horror game. Did we stumble on a cannibal camp?
Oh shit. I hit his fucking leg. Welcome to America. What the fuck?
Timmy looks so goofy running.
He does.
He runs like Flint Lockwood.